That sounds like a captivating title and topic. Here's how you could break it down. 1. BDAG's partnership with Inter Milan. Discuss the significance of this partnership and how it could influence BDAG's branding and adoption. Focus on how high-profile collaborations often boost investor confidence, leading to potential pre-sale success. 2. $600M presale speculation. Explore the potential for BDAG to reach a $600M target, analyzing its current trajectory, market conditions, and investor interest in the project. Make comparisons with similar high-profile presales. 3. Near protocol and Polygon analysis. Offer a technical or fundamental analysis of Near and Polygon prices. Compare their current performance with BDAG's potential, highlighting the dynamics of these altcoins in the current crypto landscape. Would you like help with the detailed content for this analysis? The headline, Polygon price soars with token migration buzz, suggests a surge in interest around Polygon due to developments related to token migration. Here's how you can expand on this. 1. Token migration impact. Highlight the recent buzz around projects migrating to Polygon from other blockchains, which could be driven by lower gas fees, faster transactions, or enhanced scalability. 2. Price surge. Analyze how the excitement surrounding these migrations has caused a positive price action for Matic, Polygon's native token. Include recent price performance, key metrics, and any potential for further gains. 3. Ecosystem expansion. Explore how token migration to Polygon signifies broader adoption and solidifies its role as a major player in the Ethereum Layer 2 scaling space. Would you like more insights on how to structure this content, or would you prefer to focus on a particular angle?